Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Measuring cups. Multiple sizes, including 4 measuring cups, 1/4, 1/3, 1/2, and 1 cup, and 6 measuring spoons, 1/8, 1/4, 1/2, 1 teaspoon, 1/2, and 1 tablespoon. Meet all your needs for cooking and baking. Premium material. The measuring cups are made of food-grade 18/8 stainless steel. The measuring spoon is made of premium food-grade stainless steel point, 100% rust-resistant, no toxic elements, which is safe to use for both dry and wet ingredients. Easy cleaning. The stackable professional metal measuring spoons and cup set is dishwasher safe. Perfect solution to cheap plastic measuring sets. Easy to use. Each measuring cup and measuring spoon has engraved clearly the size mark. No more guests in the kitchen. Guarantee. Tyluk offers 100% satisfaction to allow you to test it. Please feel free to contact us if you are not satisfied with our product. Cast iron burner. Easy to clean. 6.5-inch and 5-inch cast iron flat cooking plates are non-stick and easy to clean with a damp cloth or non-abrasive sponge. Adjustable temperature. Quickly reach and sustain the desired low, medium, or high heat settings with the variable temperature knob to keep food warm or boil hot water. Built-in safety. Dual power indicator lights on the front of the burner remind users when the item is powered on. Non-skid feet ensure the burner remains stable during use. Compact and portable. The compact size of the burner makes it an easily accessible item to take on the go wherever an extra cooking device is needed, at school, office, camping trips, or home. Electric pot. Dual power electric cooker. This multifunctional hot pot has a dual power adjustable design. It can help you easy to fry and replace various traditional stove kitchenware. Use low power mode, 300W, for cooking ramen, scrambled eggs, and pancakes, and high power mode, 600W, for spaghetti, steak, salmon, hot pot, and sauté. It is a must-have for any kitchen. 1.5L cooking capacity. With steamer, the 1.5L capacity of our electric pot makes it the perfect size for individuals or small families. The hot pot features a steamer, allow you to steam above while cooking below. Its compact size allows for easy storage and makes it ideal for use in small kitchens, offices, dorm rooms, or vans. Non-stick coating. The Hytric ramen cooker has a food-grade non-stick coating, providing effortless release and easy cleaning. Sauté your food smoothly to prevent sticking and cook with less oil for healthier meals. After cooking, cleaning is a breeze with water and a rag. Electric griddle. XL electric griddle. This hard-working extra-large griddle features a 1500-watt heating system. Cool touch handles, a base with a built-in ledge with backstop for easy pancake flipping. The removable probe with easy-to-use dial allows for precise temperature control. Durable, efficient. The unique ceramic nonstick coating is 8 times more durable, cooks up to 30% faster than standard nonstick coatings. It's reinforced with titanium for outstanding strength, scratch resistance. Kitchen essentials. Bella offers a full range of high-quality products including air fryers, waffle irons, toasters, coffee makers, electric kettles, slow cookers, espresso machines, griddles, juicers. Mix it up. The kitchen should be fun. With Bella it can be. We provide you with quick, convenient kitchen solutions to simplify your hectic life, including small kitchen appliances, cookware, housewares. One-touch rice cooker. Multifunctional use. Whether you are in the mood for a hearty jambalaya, steamed veggies and rice, or even a fluffy cake, yes, cake, you can accomplish it all with your ARC 7216NG cooker. The possibilities are as creative as you are. Capacity dimensions. The ARC 7216NG has a 32-cup cooked capacity, yielding anywhere from 4 to 32 cups of cooked rice, and measures 11.8 by 10.6 by 13.9. BPA-free. 10.00V. User-friendly programming. This product is also a proud member of our set it and forget it mentality. This product is easy to use with one-touch operation that switches to keep warm automatically once cooking is finished, allowing you the freedom to take back your time instead of worrying while you cook. Accessories. This pot-style rice cooker includes a non-stick inner pot, rice measuring cup, and a plastic rice spatula. Oil sprayer. Lifetime assurance. We stand behind the quality of our olive oil dispenser bottle. If you're unsatisfied or face any issues, contact us anytime. We offer lifetime support to ensure you're fully satisfied with this essential kitchen essential. Dual dispensing. This 2-in-1 oil dispenser and oil sprayer allows you to spray or pour with ease. It's a versatile oil dispenser bottle spray and pour solution, keeping your kitchen organized and efficient. Control oil intake. Each spray dispenses 0.15 g of oil, helping you manage your daily intake. This cooking oil sprayer is designed for healthier, more controlled cooking with minimal waste. BPA-free safe. Crafted from BPA-free glass, this olive oil dispenser bottle is odorless, non-toxic, and heat-resistant. It's a safe and healthy addition to your kitchen essentials for everyday cooking. Herb scissors. 2025 new high-quality herb cutting scissors with 5 stainless steel blades. The herb shear set contains a safety cover and a comb for cleaning. The 5-blade design increases your productivity by 4 times. The handle is made of PP plus TPR soft rubber, comfortable and non-slip. Can use dishwasher to clean, but hand wash is recommended. Comfortable soft grip TPR handle. Designed with a non-slip TPR handle to reduce hand fatigue and ensure a secure grip during extended use. Shop with confidence. 30-day money-back guarantee. Enjoy peace of mind with our 30-day money-back guarantee, ensuring your satisfaction with every purchase. Instant Read Meat Thermometer. 2.0 inches large auto-rotating backlit display. Candy Thermometer has a 180 degrees auto-rotating backlit display, making this kitchen thermometer perfect for left-hand users and allows you to use it in low-light conditions. Motion Sensing Sleep Wake. Directly turns on and off by the probe opens or closes. Instantly wakes when picked up the digital food thermometer and sleeps when set down to save battery power. Up to 3,000 hours with included 3A battery. 3 to 4 seconds ultra-fast response time with highly accurate to plus or minus 0.9. Instant Read Meat Thermometer features 4.3 inches food-grade stainless steel probe. Suitable for measure any type of food temp with the cooking thermometer. Lock and calibration. Instant Read Food Thermometer features lock function to lock the temperature on the display, so you can read temp away from the heat. Keep your temperature probe always accurate through calibration function. Cutting board. Double-sided cutting board. This double-sided cutting board is made of 304 stainless steel and wheat straw PP, 304 stainless steel for cutting raw-cooked meat, and wheat straw face for cutting vegetables. Fruit. Kitchen stainless steel cutting board is BPA-free, sturdy, and durable, and can be in direct contact with food, healthy and safe. Easy to clean and store. Simply wash the kitchen chopping board with gentle soap by hand or place it in the dishwasher for thorough cleaning. There is a portable part on the cutting board for easy carrying and hanging. Widely used, these cutting boards greatly satisfy your cutting needs, whether for cutting vegetables, carving meat, or prepping a garnish. You can bring it anywhere. You can even bring it out to picnic or camping, RV. etc. Countertop blender. Professional power. 1,000 watts of professional power can crush ice and break down any tough ingredient. Power source, corded electric, amperage, 12.5 amps. XL capacity. The 72-ounce professional blender pitcher is excellent for making frozen drinks and creamy smoothies for the entire family. 64 ounces max liquid capacity. Intelligent technology. Total crushing technology delivers unbeatable power with blades that pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits and vegetables in seconds. Recipe inspiration. The included recipe guide provides drink and dish making inspiration. Easy cleanup. Pitcher is BPA-free and dishwasher safe, making cleanup just as simple and easy as using the blender. What's included? 1,000-watt motor-based professional blender, 72-ounce total crushing pitcher with lid. Automatic pot stirrer. Patented hands-free stirring. Stirs your soups, stews, risottos, chili, polenta, sauces, caramelized onions, cheese curds, and much more to your desired creaminess and consistency. Gently sweeps the pot bottom and prevents food burning and pot scorching. Self-adjusts to full range of pot sizes, 6 to 9 inches in diameter and 3 to 9 inches in depth. Quiet high-torque motor stirs for up to 10 hours per charge, depending on food viscosity, with only 1 hour recharging. Can also be plugged in for continuous operation. Variable speed operation with max speed 1.5x faster than previous generation stirmate. Attachments available: stainless steel stirrer, thermometer kit, and OMNAXL extra large pot, up to 6-gallon stirrer. Sold separately. The Stirmate Omni XL stainless steel stirring attachment for wide and deep pots up to 5-gallon sizes.